Welcome back again to Winemaking 101, where I try and answer all the commonly asked questions about winemaking in 2 minutes or less. That's my challenge, 2 minutes to answer the questions. This question gets asked so many times, numerous times every day, by people starting out with this great hobby. Will my wine be ready by the end of the week? 2 minutes on the timer, let's go. No, it won't be. Well, plenty of time left, isn't there? Right then. Your wine will take lots of time to ferment, more than a week, and then you have to let it clear, and then let it mature. It will not be ready in 7 days. If you're making a kid wine, chances are it will take longer than the instructions and directions. For a country wine, you cannot rush these things. Time is the most important ingredient in winemaking, and also the hardest to judge and to measure. Generally, in terms of winemaking, we're talking at least 6 months before your wine can go into a glass and be enjoyed. Usually, we're talking a year, or 2 years, or 3 or 5 years. This hobby is not about making the end product quickly by the weekend. Your wine will benefit from time spent clearing and maturing. I think I've covered that subject in just about 2 minutes. So how long do you leave your wines for before you drink them? Let me know down in the comments below. And I'll see you all in the next video.